Want to use Grok like a real app on your Mac? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install it. No downloads needed. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Make sure you're using Safari, because this method only works here. Next, go to the address bar, type grok.com, and press Enter to open the official website. Once the website loads, move to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear showing the app name and icon. You can rename it if you'd like, then click Add, and that's it. Grok is now installed as a desktop-style app on your Mac. You'll see it in your dock, and you can also find it inside your Applications folder. Now just open it, sign into your account, and you'll get a clean, distraction-free experience, just like a native app. If you found this helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. And for more simple Mac tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.